Hello, this is a botanical garden of Osaka City University on April 10, and this is flowering Cercis. Cercis is a wonderful plant. There are species which are growing in North America, and this is a Chinese one, which is very similar to North American relatives. Cercis is a representative of legumes. So this is a plant from the legume family, but not from the main group, which most of people consider as legume. Actually, legumes are split in three different groups. There are mimosoids, like acacias. There are normal papilionoid legumes, like most of plants which are eating, for example, beans. And also, there is a group which is a bit artificial, caesalpinioids. So, Cercis is a caesalpinioid legume which has unusual structure of the flower. So in papilionoid legumes, flower always has topmost petal, two sideways petals, and petals which are going down. So what is interesting, Cercis is imitating the structure of papilionoid legume flower, but it is differently constructed. If you look on the flower of Cercis, topmost petals is going up, but sideways petals are going up also. So actually three petals are going up instead of one. And if you go within a flower, you will see that stamens of Cercis are not connected together. If you remember, in most of papilionoid legumes, like again beans, 9 stamens are connected together and 1 is apart. In the flower of Cercis, all 10 stamens are separate. So if you look on the flower closely, you will immediately understand this is something else. Plus, you can see that flowers of Cercis are located right on branches, so plant is cauliflorous. So situation, for example, typical for the chocolate tree and also for Cercis. So stem of Cercis will bear flowers, and fruits like pods will appear also on stem. And leaves of Cercis, very young today on April 10, are very unusual. They are very kind of round shaped, not typical for compound leaves of kind of average legume. So Cercis is only slightly leguminous as a looking, and if you see it closely, you will see many differences between Cercis and typical like bean-like legumes. Anyway, it's extremely ornamental. The flowering time is probably close to the end. It flowers in early spring, and it's nice in leaves in autumn time when leaves change coloration, and pods also attractive because they are attached to the main trunk. Again, this is a Cercis flowering in Osaka Botanical Garden. This is the end of flowering, and today is April 10. Thank you very much.